Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a Weltrade to MetaTrader 5. Now what you want to do is first create an account on Weltrade. So if you don't have one, just come here, click on open an account. You can open a live account or a demo account. You can choose any of these as well. You can go for any of these pro accounts or demo accounts. Choose your platform, account type, currency, deposit amount, leverage, and then click on open an account. I already have a pro account which I'll use. So when you create your account, they actually send you login credentials to your email address. So I want you to go ahead and copy that account number because that is what we'll be using. Make sure to remember this server as well. I'll just go ahead and copy that, and we'll come back here to MetaTrader 5, open that up, and then just come to the top left, click on File, click on Open an Account, and then I want you to just go ahead and search for Weltrade. Go ahead and hit enter or click on Find Your Company. I want you to use this one, System Gates Limited. Click here on Next, and then I want you to come here, click on Connect with an existing trade account. Go ahead and paste in your login credential. Go ahead and enter your password, which will be in your email address. For now, I'll go ahead and pick the server. This is the server I want you to go for, and it will depend for you as well. So I made a real account. I'll use that, and then I'll go ahead and grab the password. If I scroll down, there we go. Now I want you to just go ahead and click here on Finish. And as you can see, I have just connected to our Weltrade account. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.